Hello, in front of me I've got WUCHANG. In this video I'll show you how to restore health if you don't have any more health potions. As you can see right now, I don't have any health potions. What can I do is going to inventory and here in items. I can search for item that restores health. Such items are steamed bunny bun, raven peel, medicine, special peel, and cornucopia elixir. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.